Sit there and watch it. Whoa, smoke is coming out fast. I know, it melts up quickly. Oh. Oh, what's in here? There's stuff in here. Whoa. Look at the flames. I like how it's animated. I'm recording the fire. Whoa. Fire selfie. Get out of the picture. Fine. Whenever I zoom in and record, Marissa, come look at the screen. Doesn't it look animated whenever I zoom in? Look, doesn't the fire look animated?
Let me see.
So cool. Come look. Come around
Turn
here.
it.
No, I can't. It has to be on
She
time.
can't turn the iPad.
I can't. Doesn't it look animated whenever I zoom in?
Yeah. What if you drop it?
Oh God.
Come on, Marissa.
Go over there. Whoa, he's dropping his
Gracie, get.
tools in there.
Wait, Marissa, wait. Hold on, wait. Let me go get something. Really? It's a bracelet. Whatever it is.
You're being a dick.
Can you get that far? Wait, don't put that up on the gate.
Hey,
What?
I wasn't putting it on there.
iPad.
I wasn't putting it on there. I was getting closer. Well, there they go even. Oh, stuff. That's so cool though.
Great move.
Oh, Mom, you can barely see it.
I know.
Oh, you can't see nothing. Here.
Like this way?
Oh, I thought this was one more.
This way will work.
I was like, no. Ooh, it's a beautiful day. Oh, there's the moon already. And birds and clouds. It's so beautiful. Whoa, the grill. You watch the fire set. Hopefully it keeps you warm. Whoa, you see it like, Mom, you can see it like turning blue and stuff. Look at it. Yeah, it's turning blue. Whoa, blue fire, that's awesome. Did you guys see that? You probably can't see it on camera, but There's blue in there and purple and stuff.
Throwing that in there. There it goes. Oh, it's burning.
Whoa, it's benzene. It's melting. I want you guys to see it's melting. See that line? We're just gonna watch that note. Whoa. It's gonna run. I'm recording it. See? I'm putting it right there so they can actually see it.
Mommy, is this a good handstand?
Oh, yeah.
How long did I stand for?
At least 7 seconds.
That was so, I didn't expect it to be like that. I expected to fall over or be like that. I'm getting so good. Ew, there's a bee. Whoa, now he's burning wood.
Wood. I want you guys to watch the wood burn. Because burning wood looks awesomely. You guys probably can't really see, but that's the best I can do. I don't want it. You guys can see.
Dad, was that a good handstand, this?
Yeah.
Except the falling part.
A little bit.
I gotta practice cartwheels.
Oh my gosh, guys. It burnt the wood. It's burning on the side. Ooh. Look at that paper melting. And the blue fire. You see it's turning blue? I want to do gymnastics so badly right now. Okay, never mind. I can't get that set up. Those were celebration scenes. Wow, that paper's black already. Oh, that chair we could sit in and watch the fire. I want to do more handstands forever. Handstands are like got that line from the bucket. Like out of from the bucket. I was caught.